Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss complete chapter revision for your half yearly examination 2024-25 class 7 DAB Public School, and the chapters are rational number, operation and rational number as decimal, then application of the percentage, linear equation, triangle and its properties, then the data handling. Okay, so these questions are more important for your half yearly examination. Also I cover to mock test and MCQ marathon. If you solve all these questions, then you can get 80 out of 80 in your exam. So without late, then start the session, and our target to score 80 in exam within 1.5 hour or 2 hour. So let's start the session. So we solve important questions which are important for your half yearly exam or term 1 examination. First question. Simplify and express the result as a rational number in lowest form. This is the chapter 3, that is rational number as decimal. So how to solve? Now first we can write 0.144 as 144 divided by 1000. Any doubt? Because we know that when a decimal number is given, how to write in fraction or rational number? Now simply first we write the number, then 1 how many 0? Now after decimal how many digit? Now 1 digit, so 1 0. Similarly 0.144 we can write the number, that is 144 divided by 1 how many 0? 1 2 3, so 3 0. Any doubt? So divide, here we can write 1 2, first write the number divided by 1 how many 0? Now 1 0, because after decimal 1 digit, divided by 16 divided by 1000 divide 2 by 100 plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. Any issue? So now we can solve 144 divided by 1000. When we convert division or multiply, the second fraction, the second rational number will be reciprocal, that is 10 by 12. Similarly we can write 16 by 1000 into 100 by 2. Yes or no? Now 1010 cancel, 12 ja 144, or simply you can cancel by 6 or 2. So 12 ja 144 and 0000 cancel, 2 8 ja. Okay, so now plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. Now equal to 12 divided by the remaining is 100 into the second rational number will be reciprocal, because this by this, so into denominator is 10 divided by numerator is 8. Any doubt? Now 7 by 5 minus 20 and 21 by 8. Now again cancel 1010. Now 4 3 ja 4 2 ja, so 3 by 20, so we can write 3 by 20 plus 7 by 5 minus 21 by 8. Now again take LCM as 40, because 25 and 8 LCM is 40. So 22 ja 2 3 ja 6 plus 5 8 ja, so 8 7 ja 56 minus 8 5 ja 5, 21 ja 105. Now can solve. So 56 plus 6 62 minus 105 divided by 40, 5 minus 2 3, 10 minus 6 that is 4, here is minus because big number sign is minus, divided by 40. So answer is minus 43 by 40. Okay, if you convert into mixed number, the answer will be minus 1 3 by 40. Understand? Coming to next question, that is 0.6. So we can write 6 by 10 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 1000 whole divided by 1 by 10 10 into 1 by 1000. Any issue? So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now we can write 6 into 6 into 6, that is 6 6 the 36, 6 ja 216 divided by 1, how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 1 0 1 0 cancel, divided by 1 by 1 triple 0. Yes or no? Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now we can write 216 divided by 160 into 1 triple 0 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay. Now cancel. 3030 will be cancelled, and the remaining is we can write by cancel 4 5 ja 4 4 ja 4 2 ja 8 20 4 5 ja 20 0. Again cancel by 2 2 2 ja 4 2 7 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 5 ja. Okay, 6 into 6 36 into 6 6 6 the 36 6 carry रखला 3 6 3 जा 18. हाँ okay correct है. Now solve 27 divided with 125 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, so now take LCM as 125 5 into 4, that is 1000. So 125 4 ja 125 8 ja, so 8 into 27 minus 4 2 ja 8 4 5 ja 250 plus 200. So now multiply 28 7 ja, sorry 27 8 ja 8 7 ja 56 carry 5 8 2 ja 16 5 21. So 216 minus 250 plus 200 divided with 1000. So we can write 216 plus 200, that is 416 minus 250 divided by 1000. Now minus 6 1 11 6, here is 3 2 1 divided by 1000. Okay, so again cancel with by 2. So 2 8 ja 2 3 ja 2 5 ja 500, means 83 by 500. Okay, so next solve x by 5 plus 1 equal to 15. So we can write x by 5 equal to 1 by 15 minus 1. Now x by 5 equal to, take LCM as 15, 1 minus 15. So x by 15 equal to minus 14 by 15. Now x equal to 15 here 5, in left side the 5 will be divided, when we go to right side then it will be multiply. So minus 14 by 15 into 5, 5 1 ja 5 3 ja, so minus 14 by 3, that is minus 4 is to 2 by 3. So answer is minus 4 is to 2 by 3. So next question, if you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. So also you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group, link in the description box. So next question, 2.4. Okay, so we multiply. So 2.4 into 3, that is 72, that is 7.2, minus 2.4x minus 6 2 is 12, that is 1.2x, minus minus plus 6 3 is 18, that is 1.8, plus 5.4 equal to 0. Now arrange, that is minus 2.4 x minus 1.2x equal to minus 7.2 minus 1.8 minus 5.4. Okay, now we solve. Here is same sign, number will be added, that is 36 or 3.6x equal to same sign means addition. 4 2 6 8 14, carry 1, 2 5 7 7 14, so 14.4, that is minus. So now x equal to minus 14.4 divided by minus 3.6. So minus minus cancel. 12 3 ja, that is 0.3. 12 12 ja, that is 1.2. So now 3 1 ja, that is 3 4 ja. So here you can write 4 by 10, here you can write 1 by 10. So 10 10 cancel, that is 4 by 10 into 10 by 1. So answer is 4. So x equal to 4. Next question, 0.6x minus 0.28x, because we know that 0.28 or 0.28 are equal. So x equal to right side is 1.16 minus 0.8. First we rearrange. Okay, so now solve. So here is different sign. Okay, so different sign means we subtract. So 0.6 minus 0.28, so subtract. So 0 2, here is 5 5 2 3 means 0.32, 0.32, and the big number is 0.6, so that's why plus. X equal to, also here subtract, that is 1.16 0.8. So 6 minus 0 6, here is 11, minus 8 3, here is 0, that is 0.36, 0.36, big number is plus, that's why plus. So x equal to 0.36 divided 0.32. So now 36 divided by 100 into, divide 32 divided by 100. So now we can write 36 divided by 100 into 100 by 32. So 100 cancel, 4 8 ja, 4 9 ja, so answer is 9 by 8, that is 1 whole 1 by 8. Any so? So now next question, question number D. 1.44, that is 1.44 into, first we solve the bracket. So 144 divided with 12, we can write 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. So now we multiply, that is 144 into 12, that is 1728. So product, the answer will be 1728. So 1728 means point means after 2 decimal. So 17.28 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. So now first we addition, that is 17.28 plus 3.276 minus 0.225. Now addition first, that is 3.276, 6, 15 carry 1, 5 carry, sorry, 730 carry 1, 2. So answer will 20.556 minus 0.225. Now minus 6 minus 5, 133.20. Okay. So question is write the rational number or decimal. Only solve. Okay. So answer will be get. So next question. A man sold 2 bed sheet. Okay. Suppose this is bed sheet 1, that is sold means SP. So SP of first bed sheet is equal to 600. Similarly, SP of second bed sheet, same 600 rupees, because 600 each. Now on the one he gain, means first one gain, that is 20%, but the second one losses, so loss equal to 25%. How much does he gain or loss in the whole transaction? Okay, first find out CP. So CP formula means SP into 100 divided by 100, gain means plus profit percent. Now put the value, that is 600 into 100 divided by 100 plus profit, that is 120. So 0 cancel, 12 5 ja 60, that is 500 rupees. But second one CP equal to, the formula same, CP SP into 100 divided by 100 but minus, because loss is given. So now SP means 600 into 100 divided by 100 minus 25, that is 75. Now 25 4 ja 25, 3 ja 3, 2 ja, that is 200. So 200 into 4, that is 800. So whole transaction profit or loss means we find whole SP and whole CP. So find out total SP of 2 bed sheet equal to 600 plus 600, 600 plus 600, that is 1200. Now find total CP equal to, the first CP is 500 and the second CP is 800. So 800 plus 500, that is 1300. So tell me here profit or loss. Now because CP is greater than, that's why loss. So loss how much? Now CP minus SP, that is 1300 minus 1200, so 100 rupees. Find the he gain a loss in the whole transaction. Okay, so loss equal to 100 rupees. Understand? If the questions asks find the loss percentage, then you find the loss percentage, that is loss, that is 100 divided by CP, that is 1300 into 100. Okay, but the question here asks only find the loss, not the loss percentage. Clear? So next question. A man bought cardboard sheet for rupees, this bought means CP, so we can write CP of cardboard equal to rupees 3600. Now spend means overhead cost, so write down overhead cost equal to 100 plus 300 plus, he had 330 box made which is sold, sorry, 100 plus 300, so write down 400 rupees, means total overhead cost is 400 rupees. So tell me actual CP of cardboard equal to 3600 plus 400, that is 4000 rupees. Yes or no? So now he had 330 boxes made, which is sold 14 each. So write down SP of 330 boxes, or SP of the cardboards, SP of the 330 boxes equal to 330 into 1 box price is 14 rupees. So equal to 33 into 14. So 14 3 ja 42, 42. So 264 means 4620, means SP is more than the CP. So always profit. So write down profit percentage, means first we find out profit, that is SP minus CP, that is 4620 minus 4000 equal to 620 rupees. But the questions asks find the profit percentage. So find out profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100, because profit or loss always calculated on SCP. So put the value, that is 620 divided with, that is 4000 into 100. So double zero cancel, again 0 cancel, 2 3 ja 2 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 31 by 2, that is 15 whole 1 by 2 percentage, or we can write 15.5 percentage. Okay, so answer. So next question, find 12% 12 whole 1 by 2 percentage of, means into 3 whole 1 by 2 percentage of, means into 256 rupees. Okay, first convert 12 2 ja 24, 125 divided by 2 percentage into 3 2 ja 6 1 7 by 2 percentage into 256. Now we can write 25 by 200 into 7 divided by 200 into 256. So now 25 8 ja 200, yes or no? So 8 3 ja 24, 8 2 ja 16. So 4 8 ja 32, 4 5 ja 0. Now 4 2 4 ja 8, 2 25. So 7 4 ja 8, 28 divided by 25. Okay, so if we convert into rupees, paisa, then we multiply 100. So 25 4 ja 100. So 28 4 ja 4 8 ja 32, carry 3, 4 2 ja 8 3 11. Okay, 112 paisa. Okay, if 0 is a point in the exterior of triangle ABC, so that this, okay, suppose this is triangle ABC, A, B and C. O is the interior, so name is O. So AO, OB and OC, so that this, okay, so we can write in triangle AOB, we can write AO plus BO is greater than AB. This is inequality, triangle inequality, this is equation 1. So we can write in triangle BOC, we can write OB. Similarly, you can write OA and OB. Okay, OA and OB. not BO. Same BO or OA equal. So OB plus OC is greater than BC. Also triangle inequality. Triangle inequality. This is equation 2. Similarly, in triangle AOC, we can write OC plus OA is greater than the third side, that is AC. Equation 3. So, in triangle ABC, adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get the left side is OA plus OB. Second one left side is OB plus OC. Third one left side is OC plus OA. Here is greater than sign, so write greater than sign. Then right side will be added. So AB plus BC plus AC. Any doubt? So now we can write here 2 OA. So 2 into OA plus OB plus OC, because there are the 2 OA, 2 OB and 2 OC. So if we take common 2, so the remaining are OA, OB and OC greater than AB plus BC plus AC or CA. So now we can write, so this is completed, proved. Okay, compare. Okay, the first one is minus 5 by 7 mod and 3 by minus 5 mod. Mod means only number, right? Then here 3 by 5. So now cross multiply 5 into 5, that is 25. 7 into 3, that is 21. The first one is greater. The first one is greater. Second, 9 number, arrange in descending order. Okay, descending means first we write the rational number in standard form. So first one is minus 2 by 3, second one is 5 by 12, third one is minus 3 by 4. So this is standard form. Now take LCM. So LCM of 3, 12 and 4, that is 12. So now 2 by 3 equal to minus 2 into 3 into 4. So multiply 4, minus 8 by 12. Second one is 5 by 12, already 12. So we multiply 1. So 5 by 12. Third one is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 into 4 into 3 jar 12. So similarly we multiply 3, minus 9. So descending means first we write the greater number, means positive. So 5 by 12, then minus 8 by 12, then minus 9 by 12. Now write the original number, that is 5 by 12 greater than minus 8 by 12 means minus 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 greater than minus 3 by 4. Answer. Next question. Okay, this is important questions, value based question. Aman is an avid reader. He has a good collection of the books. In his summer vacation, he read a book 300 pages. Means total books he read 300 pages in 4 days. But the condition is, if the number of the pages he read on the second, third and the fourth day is the half of the pages he read on the previous day. Means suppose he read X, let he read on first day be X. Second day how much? Now half of the first day, that is X by 2. Yes or no? On the third day, he read x by 4 because x by 2 into 1 by 2, that is x by 4. Yes or no? Half means 1 by 2. So on the fourth day, he read x by 8. Any doubt? Now, according to questions, we can write x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 plus x by 8 equal to 300, because sum of the 4 days equal to 300 pages or not. So we can write, take LCM as 8. So 8x plus 2 4x, 4 2, that is 2x, that is x equal to 300. So now 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 by 8x equal to 300. So x how much? 300 into 8 by 15. 15 2 ja 0, 8 2 ja 16, 160. Means find the number of the pages he read on the first day is 160 pages. Any issue? Any doubt? Okay. Next question. The student of a Rotary Club prepare tie and the dye, dupatta, wall hanging and the handbag for the sale in exhibition to help the poor people. They earn the total profit. Okay, total profit is given, so we can write total profit equal to 2000 rupees. Now the profit of the dupattas is 30 less than 2 times the profit of the wall hanging. Suppose let we take profit on wall hanging be x. So we can write profit on dupatta equal to 30 less means minus 30 from dash 2 times the profit of the wall hanging, that is 2x. Okay, so now the profit on the handbag, so write down profit on handbag equal to 80 more than, so plus 80 from twice the profit of the wall hanging, that is 2x. Okay, so according to questions we can write total profit is given, means profit on wall hanging plus profit of the dupattas plus profit of the handbag equal to 2000. Yes or no? So x plus 2x minus 30 plus 2x plus 80 is must be equal to 2000. Yes or no? So x plus 2x plus 2x, that is to 5x. So 5x 80 minus 30 plus 50 equal to 2000. Now 5x equal to 2000 minus 50, that is 1950. Okay, so we can write x equal to 1950 divided by 5, that is 5 3 ja 15, 45 5 9 ja 0. So answer is rupees 390 profit on wall hanging. Okay, so next question. In the given figure, find the measure of 1 2 1 3. Okay, how to find the value of the 3? Now we subtract from 180. We already done in mock test. So how to write? Now 3 is equal to 180 degree minus 136. So we can bracket, we can write linear pair. Find. So 0 minus 6, 4, 7 3 4, then 0, 44 degree. Similarly we can find 2. Simply we minus from the 180 degree because linear pair. Okay, so 180 minus 104 equal to 6. Here is 8 minus 0, 7, 76 degree. Now find the value of x. We know that sum of the three angle equal to 180 degree. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 must be equal to 180 degree. So put the value, that is 1 plus 2 equal to 76, then 3 equal to 44 equal to 180. So 1 equal to 180 minus 76 plus 44. Now first we solve. 180 minus 0 carry 1, 11, 12. So answer is 60 degree. So therefore 1 equal to 60 degree, 2 equal to 76 degree, 3 equal to 44 degree. So next question, find the value of CAB. Okay. So we know that BAC you can find BAC, or we can say that CAB is most equal to 45 degree because vertically opposite angle. So this angle will be 45. Okay. So now find ABC. Okay. So we know that CAB plus ABC is most equal to ACD because of exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of triangle. So CAB means 45 degree. ABC we should find equal to ACD, that is 105. So ABC must be equal to 105 minus 45. So 0, 10, 6. So 60 degree. So this one 60 degree. So find the value of ACB. So ACB plus ACD must be equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So find the value. So ACB plus 105 equal to 180 degree. So ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 105. So simply subtract, that is 5. Here is 7 minus 0, 7. So 75 degree. Understand? So next question, find x and y. Okay. So tell me what is the value of the x. X means this angle plus this angle because exterior angle property. So we can write ACD is equal to A angle plus B angle, exterior angle property. Yes or no? So ACD place we can write x is equal to 30 plus 30, that is 60 degree, means x equal to 60. Okay. So now find the value of y. So similarly you can write y is equal to 30 degree plus x, that is 30 degree plus 60 degree, 90 degree, same exterior angle property. Okay. Now complete. So x equal to 60 and y equal to 90 degree. So next, which of the following can be possible length in centimeter of the triangle? Okay, the one side is 8, second one is 10 and the third one is 15. You remember the rule is sum of the any two side must be greater than the third side. Okay, first we check, first we add 8 plus 10. So 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 is greater than 15. Yes, means satisfy. Now add the second and third. So 10 plus 15, that is 25. 25 is greater than 8. Yes, satisfy. And the third pair is 15 and 8, that is 23. 23 is greater than 10. Yes, satisfy. That's why you can write, so 8, 10 and 15 can be the length of the side of a triangle. Okay. Similarly you can check B number and C number. So next, this question already completed. Okay. So how to solve? Now by triangle inequality property. Okay. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now adding the 3 equation, then you can find the IB. So next, the length of the two sides of the right angle triangle are equal. Okay, the square of the hypotenuse is given. Okay, suppose this is right angle triangle, this is 90 degree ABC. Square of the hypotenuse means given AC square is given, that is 800 centimeter square. Find the length of the each sides. The length of the two sides of the right angle equal means this and this are equal. So also given AB equal to BC. Okay, so write down. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square must be equal to other square of the sides, that is base square plus perpendicular square, that is BC square. So put the value, that is 800 equal to AB square and BC square. You can write AB square plus AB square because AB equal to BC. Yes or no? So 800 is equal to 2AB square. So AB square equal to 800 by 2, that is 400. So AB square equal to 400. So AB equal to 20 square. So AB equal to 20 centimeter. So similarly BC how much? 20 centimeter, because AB and BC are equal. Understand? Next question. Two pole of height. Suppose this is one pole, this is another pole. The first pole is 6 centimeter, that is 6 meter. Second pole is 11 meter. Stand on the plain ground, this is ground. If the distance between the feet is 12 m, that is meter, means this is 12 meter. Find the distance between the tops, means we find this. Suppose let draw, this is suppose M, this is AB, this is CD. So first draw CM. Now AMC is a right angle triangle. AMC is a right angle triangle. Any doubt? So we can write down AC is equal to, find, so MC is equal to BD is equal to 12M, and AB minus CD is must be equal to AM, because total is 11, here is 6. So 11 minus 6, you will find the AM, that is 11 minus 6 equal to AM. So AM equal to 5. Yes or no? 5 meter. Now find the AC. So how to find? Now by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square equal to AM square plus MC square. So now AC square equal to AM, that is 5 square, plus MC, that is 12 square. 5 square, that is 25, plus 144, that is 169, or we can write 13 square. So AC square equal to 13 square. So tell me AC how much? 13 meter. So answer is 13 meter. Next question. Find the length of the diagonal of the rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. All questions are very important for your term 1 examination. So practice these questions in a pen and paper. Okay, then you can write in exam. So find the length of the diagonal. Okay, suppose this is diagonal. So find the length of the diagonal whose sides are given. This is 15 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Simply you can find by the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so find. So by Pythagoras theorem, suppose this is A, B, C, D. So AC square we can write AB square plus BC square. AB, that is 8 square plus 15 square, 64, 225. So 289. So 289 means 17 square. So AC square equal to 17 square. AC equal to 17. Yes or no? So answer is 17 centimeter. So diagonal of the rectangle is 17 centimeter. Next question. The foot of ladder is 6 m away from the wall. Suppose this is wall. Okay. And the ladder. So this is ladder. The foot of the ladder and the wall is 6 meter. This is 6 meter. And the top reaches the window 8 meter above the ground. Means this is 8 meter. This is window. If the ladder is shifted such that the way of the foot is 8 meter away from the wall. Suppose ladder will be displaced, shifted, then it will be 8 meter from the foot. Okay, suppose this one is 8 meter. Find the height of the top ridge, means we find this. Okay, first we find the length of the ladder. So how to find? Suppose this is A, B and C. So now we can write, let ABC is a right angle triangle. So we can write here AB is given, that is 8 meter, and BC also given, that is 6 meter. So we find the length of the ladder, that is AC. So AC equal to how much? So by Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square equal to 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36. So 100 we can write 10 square. So tell me AC is equal to 10 meter. Yes or no? So now the length of the ladder does not changes. So means in second figure, again draw another figure. This is wall, this is ladder. Now the ladder will be changed or shifted. This is 8 meter. Okay, but this is not given. Suppose this is X, but the ladder length is also given. Already find the first part. So this is 10 meter because ladder length does not changes. Yes or no? If we shifted. So now find. So again this is A, B, C, sorry, P, Q, R, or same P, Q, R. So now we can write by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is 10. So 10 square is equal to X square plus 8 square. So 10 square, that is 100, equal to X square minus plus 64. So X square equal to 100 plus 60, sorry, minus 64, that is 36. 36 means 6 square. So X equal to how much? 6 meter. So answer is the height of the top ridge at 6 meter. Okay, so answer is 6. So next question, a right angle triangle is isosceles. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. Isosceles means this sides are equal and the square of the hypotenuse is given, that is, suppose this is A, B, C and AC is given, means AC square is given, not AC. AC square equal to 50 meter square. Now find the length of the each sides. Okay, how to solve? Same, already solved in this type questions. The hypotenuse square is 800 bala. Okay, so you can solve. This is homework. So next question, if the sides of the triangle are given, determine whether the triangle is right angle or not. How to solve? Now first we solve the bigger square. So bigger square means 6 square, that is C square, that is 36. Now find the small square. 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16, that is answer is 25. So 25 equal to 36? No. So we can write 6 square is not equal to 3 square plus 4 square. That's why 3, 4, 5 meter, 3, 4, 6 meter long triangle is not a triangle. This major triangle is not a right angle triangle. Okay. Next question. X plus 2, sorry. Next question. X plus 2 whole into x plus 3 plus x minus 3 whole into x minus 2 minus 2x into x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So solve. First we write down x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3. Again x into x minus 2 and minus 3 into x minus 2. First we distribute. Now minus 2x into x minus 2x into 1 equal to 0. Now multiply x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 plus x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 minus 2x square minus 2x equal to 0. Now arrange x square plus x square, that is 2x square minus 2x square. Now arrange the x. 3 2, that is 5x minus 5x minus 2x. Now plus 6 equal to 0. This will be cancel. So 5x 5 minus 5x also cancel. So minus 2x equal to minus 12, because here is plus 12. When we go to the right side, then it will be minus 12. So x equal to minus 12 by minus 2, that is 6. So answer is 6. Next question. Here simply we multiply, cross multiply. So 2x plus 14 into 1 equal to 4 into 3x plus 6. So 2x plus 14, 4 3s are 12x plus 24. Now arrange. 2x minus 12x is equal to 24 minus 14. Here is minus 10x equal to plus 10. So x equal to 10 by minus 10 equal to minus 1 is the correct answer. Next question. A minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus a minus 2 divided by 3. So first take LCM. 2 2a minus a plus 1, because when we remove the bracket, then the sign will be changes. So take LCM as 3. So 3 minus a plus 2. So 2a minus a plus 1 by 2. Then 3 plus 2 5 minus a by 3. Now cross multiply. 3 into a plus 1, 2 into 5 minus a. So 3a plus 3 equal to 10 minus 2a. 3a plus 2a equal to 10 minus 3. 5a equal to 7, a equal to 7 by 5. If the questions said prove or check, then how to solve? Now take LCM and take LHS and RHS. Okay, suppose LHS, how much? A minus 1 divided by 2, put the value 7 by 5, 7 by 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So 7 by 5, here take LCM as 5, 7 minus 5, 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, take LCM as 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 by 5. Similarly, find RHS, same, the answer will be 6 by 5. Now proved or verified. Okay. So next question, x plus 2 divided by 6 minus, take LCM, that is 12, and 11, 4 into 11 minus x minus 4 3 ja, so 3, equal to 3x minus 14 divided by 12. Again, x plus 2 divided by 6 minus 11 4 ja 44 minus 4x minus 3 divided by 12 equal to 3x minus 14 divided by 12. Now again take LCM as 12, 6 2 ja, so 2 into x plus 12, sorry 2 minus 44 minus, sorry 44 3, that is 41, 41 minus 4x equal to 3x minus 14 by 12. Now multiply 2 into x, that is 2x plus 4 minus 41 plus 4x by 12 equal to 3x minus 14 by 12. So here we can write 12 cancel, any doubt? So that implies 2x and 4x, 6x. So here is 4 minus 37 equal to 3x minus 14, because here is into divided with 12, when you right side then into 12, so 12 cancel. Okay, that's why it cancel. So equal to 6x minus 3x equal to minus 14 plus 37. So 3x equal to 7 minus 4 3, 3 minus 1 2 plus, so x equal to 23 divided by 3. Any doubt? So completed. Next question, 2x by 3x minus 1. So first we can write 2 by 3x equal to 1 by 12 plus 1. Any doubt? So take LCM as 12, 1 plus 12, that is 13 by 12. Here is 2 by 3x. Now cross multiply, 13 into 3x equal to 2 into 12, 39x equal to 24. So x equal to 24 divided by 39. So 3 8 ja, 3 13 ja, so answer is 8 by 13. Next question, represent 4 whole 1 by 3 and minus 27 by 4 on a number line. Okay, so first draw a number line. So 4 is to 1 by 3 means this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because this number will be in 4 and 5, between 4 and 5, yes or no, because more than 4, because 4 all 1 by 3. So denominator is 3 means we draw 2 lines, 1 2. The first one is 1 by 3, that is 4 whole 1 by 3 is the correct answer, means this position, mark this position. Similarly again we draw the another number line. Here is minus, means 0 is here, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. If we convert minus 27 by 4, 4 7 ja 28, 4 6 ja 24, 3 by 4, yes or no, so minus means after 6 means 6 and 7. So we, how many lines we draw? The denominator is 4 means 3 line, 1 2 3. Okay, so this is 3, third number. So first, second, third, this is the answer, that is minus 6 whole 3 by 4 or minus 27 by 4. Okay, now find the reciprocal. So how to find? Now 4 by 5, first we multiply. So 4 2 ja minus 2. So 3 by minus 10. So reciprocal of 3 by minus 10 is minus 10 by 3. Okay. So question number 23, simplify 1 by 5. So take LCM. Sorry, so find the result in decimal form. Okay. So this question we solve by in two methods. So first method is, so first take LCM. So 25, 10 and 5 LCM is 50. So 5 10 ja 10 5 15, 25 2 ja 2 4 ja 8. So multiply, sorry, addition, 15 25 8 33 by 50. When we convert decimal, the denominator must be 0, yes or no? So multiply with 2. So 66 divided by 100. So answer is 0.66. Or simply we can write 0.1 by 5. We can write 1 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into 2 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10 is already 10 because we does not require to convert 1 into 0 denominator 1 0. So third one is we can write 4 into 4 and 25 into 4, that is 25 into 4 100, then 4 into 4, that is 16. The first one is 0.2, second one is 0.3, third one is 0.16. Simply add. Okay. Next question. Without actual division, okay, first we take the denominator. So first we check this is simplest form or not. Okay. So first we divide, if it is divisible by 2, yes, 2 7 ja and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 5 ja. Now the denominator is 125, take factor 2, sorry 5, 25 5 5 ja, yes, and the denominator is the product of the prime factor 5. So yes, 28 by 250 minus 25 by 28 by 250 is a terminating decimal representation. Okay. So now this one is important, 3.25% as a decimal. So decimal means, so we can write 3.25% means divided by 100. So when the 100 is divided, the point will be left sides, go left sides. So 0.00325 answer. Now the B number is convert. 2 is to 5 means 2 by 5, percentage means 2 into 100. So 5 20 ja 22 ja 40%. Okay. If the mean is given, mean means sum of the numbers, so we can write mean is equal to 7 plus 4 plus x plus 10 divided by 1 2 3 4. So in place of mean we can put 8 equal to 7 plus 4 11 to 1 21 plus x divided by 4. So 21 plus x is equal to, here 4 is divided, when go to the left side it will be multiply. So 8 4 ja 32. So x equal to 32 minus 21, that is 111. So answer is 11. So x equal to 11. Next question, find the number whose double. Suppose the number is x. Okay, suppose the number is x whose double, that is 2x, is 45 greater than half. Means the number whose double means 2x is equal to 45 greater than, means plus 45 from itself, that is x. Simply 2x minus x equal to 45. Now x equal to 45. Yes or no? Sorry, it halves. Sorry. The double is 2x equal to, each means equal to, 45 greater than means plus 45, then it's half. Half means 1 by 2x. So now 2x minus 1 by 2x equal to 45. Now take LCM is 2, 4x minus 1, sorry, x equal to 45. Now 3x by 2 equal to 45, x equal to 45 into 2 by 3, 3 15 ja, that is 30. So answer is 30. Okay. Similarly, equation 2, that is we can write 3x. Now rearrange, that is plus x equal to 2 minus 1 by 5. Now 4x equal to, take LCM, 5, 10 minus 1, that is 9 by 5, this is 4x. So x equal to 9 by 5 into 1 by 4, so 9 by 20. Next question. The value of a where a equal to this. Okay, find the value of a where a is equal to this. So a means 0.35 plus 1.7 minus 0.47. So first we add, that is 35 and 1.70. So 502 means 203. So 205, 2.05 minus 0.47, simply minus 5, 7, 15, 8, 9, 9 minus 4, 5, 1, 1.58, 1.58. So answer is a equal to 1.58. So second one, x plus 3 by 1, so plus 1 equal to 17. So x by 3 equal to 17 minus 1, x by 3 equal to 16, x equal to 16 into 3, that is 48. So answer is 48. Percentage of a prime number from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7. So how many number? Now 4. Total number is 10. Percentage mean 2 into 100. So multiply. 0, 0 cancel. 4 10 ja 40 means 40%. If the question asks a find percentage of the composite number, simply find the composite number. Okay. Composite number means 4, then 6, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, then 9, then 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 5 10 ja 50 means 50%. Okay. Next question. Represent this on the number line. So the how to draw the number lines, already told how to draw. This is the other method how to solve. So first we draw a number line, and this is 0. So here denominator is 4, means we draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, then the big one is 1, 1, 2, 3, the big one is 2, 1, 2, 3, the big one is 3, 1, 2, 3, the big one is 4, 1, 2, 3, the big one is 5. If the denominator is 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then big one is 2, 1. Okay. Now count. The numerator is 50. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So answer is this, 15 by 4. Check out. 15 by 4 we can write 4 3 ja, then 2 by 4. देखो after 3 and the yes 3 whole 2 by 4, or we can write 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay. So next one is minus 3 by 5. Okay. So draw number line minus 3 by 5. So we can draw, this is 0, this is minus 1. All the proper fraction always lie on 0 to 1. So minus 3 means denominator is 5. So we draw 4 line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 means 1, 2, 3, this one, minus 3 by 5. Okay. Next question. A number when added to its 2/3. Okay. A number that is x is added to 2/3, that is 2/3 x is equal to 55. Simply add. That is LCM is 3, 3x plus 2x, that is 55. So 5x by 3 equal to 55. So x how much? 55 into 3 by 5. 5 11 ja 11 3 ja 33. So answer is 33. Arrange the ascending order. This is homework. We already solved the descending order. Same method. First write the standard form, then take the LCM, then equal the denominator. Now check. Find two rational number between this number. Okay, so first tell me two rational number between 2 and 7. Obviously 3 4 5 and 6. Yes or no? The between means these are. Suppose I will tell find the rational number between -1 and 1. Sorry, -1 2. So 0 and 1. Yes or no? 0 is a rational number. Okay, so similarly 1 by 4 and -3 by 4. So rational number are -1 by 4, -2 by 4, 0 by 4. These are the between rational number from 1 by 4 and -3 by 4. Now find the value of the x. Okay, now solve. Cross multiply 2x, 2 into x, that is 2x equal to -8 into 23. So x how much? Now -8 into 23 divided by 2. So 2 4 ja multiply -4 3 ja 12 1 4 2 ja 8 9. Answer is -92. Next question. Write the standard form. Okay, standard form of -12 by first multiply -1. So -12 by 18. Now cancel 6 2 ja 6 3 ja -2 by 3 is the standard form. Express these are the rational number with the denominator 40. Okay, -7 by -8 equal to denominator 40 means 40. So 8 how much? Now -5. So -5 -5 minus plus 7 5 ja 35. So answer is plus 35. Okay, or you take as x then cross multiply, then you can find out. Then next question 11. 40%, so 40 by 100 of means into 70 equal to x more than means plus x, then 30% means 30 by 100 of 80, that is into 80. Now solve. 0 0 0 0 cancel 28, 0 0 cancel 0 0 cancel 8 3 ja 24 plus x. So x how much? 28 minus 24, that is 4. So x equal to 4. The point of concurrence of the median. Median means centroid. Centroid. Okay, now the point of concurrence of the altitude. Orthocenter. If the one of the angle of a triangle is 100, okay, this is triangle, this is 100, and the other two angle are equal, this is x and this is x, then find the other two angle. We know that the three angle equal to 180 degree. X plus 100 equal to 180 degree because angle sum property. So 2x plus 180 degree, sorry, 100 equal to 180 degree. 2x equal to 80 degree because 180 minus 100 equal to 80. So x equal to 40 degree. Okay, so equal angle are 40 degree. So next question. If the mean of this is 8. Similarly same question already solved. This is homework. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Same question completed. What should be multiplied 2 by 5? Suppose 2 by 5 to get means divide. So 1 divided by 2 by 5. So 1 multiplied by 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Okay, because we know that if a number multiply with its reciprocal, it equal to 1. So 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. Answer. What percentage number 1 by 20 is divisible by 4? Important. So we know that 4 1 ja 4 means 4, then 8, then 12, 16 and 20. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 divided by total is 20 into 100. 25 ja 5 5 ja 25%. Okay, Next question, at what rate of percent will 1500 amount to 2400 in 4 years? So principal given, that is 1500, amount given 2400, time given, that is 4 years. Find the rate of interest. So rate of interest formula is SI into 100 divided by P into T. Yes or no? So tell me what is SI. SI means A minus P. A is 2400 minus 1500. So 0 0 4 5 14 5 9. Here is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 0. So 900. So put the value 900 into 100 divided by P equal to 1500 into 4. 0000 cancel. So 5 रे 5 3 5 जा 3 3 जा 5 6 जा. So 4 15 ja. So answer is 15%. Similarly, second number, find the sum. Okay, sum formula is SI into 100 divided by RT. SI how much? The amount is given 6 here. Okay, find the sum, amount is given. Okay, so amount equal to 5850. So amount formula is P plus SI. So P plus SI formula is PTR by 100. PTR by 100. So P take common 1 plus RT by 100 equal to A. Now put the value. A means we put 5850 equal to P into 1 plus 5 into 6 by 100. So 5 20 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 10 ja, means 3 by 10. So 5850 equal to P into 10 1 ja 10 3, 13 by 10. So P how much? 5850 into 10 by 13 because reciprocal. So 13 4 ja, 13 5 ja 0. So 4500. So P equal to 4500. Next question. A drum of kerosene oil is 3 by 4 full when the 15. Suppose let total capacity be X. So according to questions we can write a drum kerosene oil is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 X. When 15 liter is subtract, then it will be 7 by 12 X. This is according to questions. Now 3 by 4 X minus 7 by 12 X equal to plus 15. Okay, rearrange. Now take LCM as 12. 4 3 3 3 is 9X minus 7X equal to 15. So 2X by 12 equal to 15. So X equal to 15 into 12 by 2, that is 15 6 is 90. So total capacity of the drum is 90 liter. So next question. In the given figure, AE equal to AC, BAC equal to 40, ACF equal to 75, BCF is a line. Prove that BC equal to C. So tell me BC, where is BC? BE and CE. This and this equal means this angle must be this angle. So first find out. So we know that AEAC, where is AEAC? AEAC. So in triangle AEC, AE is equal to AC. So we can write AEC must be equal to ACE. Yes or no? So now find out A plus AEC plus ACE equal to 180 degree angle sum property. Now 40 plus 2AEC equal to 180 degree because AEC and AC are equal. So 2AEC equal to 180 degree minus 40, that is 140 degree. So AEC equal to 140 by 2, that is 70 degree. Okay. Now in triangle ABC or B plus A angle, B angle or A angle is equal to ACF, exterior angle property. Okay, so we can write ABC or B plus A equal to 40 equal to ACF, that is 75. So B equal to 75 minus 40, that is 35. Okay, means this angle we find 35. So we need to find this angle. If this angle is 35, then proved. So now we know that this angle is 70. So ECB plus ECF equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So ECB, where is ECB? ECB plus ECF means 70 plus 75, 70 plus 75 equal to 180 degree. So now ECB 180 degree minus 505 77 14, so that is 35 also. So ECB equal to 35. So we can say that ECB is equal to B. Therefore BE is equal to CE. Okay, because of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle opposites angle equal means opposite sides equal. Proved. Complete. This question is already done. Okay, this is important question. So completed. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिवो. सब्सक्राइब तुम्हें जमा करू न, सब्सक्राइब करो. ओके, थैंक यू.